Namaskar, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome on stage the Chief Security Officer of the Union Bank of India to render the mandatory security briefing of the evening.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of our MD and CEO, Ms. A. Mani Mekhalai and her team, welcome you all to this grand celebration of 104th Foundation Day of our beloved bank. To orient you from security point of view, I wish to apprise you all that venue has 2 entrances, 3 exits and 4 emergency exit gate. There are 6 fully equipped ambulances along with the doctors behind the stage to deal with any medical emergencies. There is also a fire tender placed at venue for safety against fire. On your left side, there are 30 food counters along with counters for water. On your right side, 2 hangars are there as dining area for distinguished guests. From the security gate to entrance gate, on your left side are the restrooms. Restrooms for the distinguished guests are behind the white hangars on your right side. In case of emergency, do not panic to avoid any stampede. All precautions for your security and safety have been taken and all measures are in place. Please enjoy the wonderful musical evening. Thank you.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Good evening. All of you back there, good evening. मैं गीतिका गंजूधर यहाँ उपस्थित सभी महानुभावों का, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया परिवार का, एसोसिएट्स का, पार्टनर्स का और हमारे सभी प्रिय अतिथियों का आज के इस महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम में हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। इस प्रसंग में जो यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के 104th फाउंडेशन डे के उपलक्ष्य में आयोजित किया गया है। Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all to this momentous occasion where we've all come together to celebrate the 104th Foundation Day of the Union Bank of India, one of India's largest government-owned banks. आज ना ये जो दिन है, it's a landmark day for us. जी हाँ, आज ही के दिन यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के सफ़र की शुरुआत हुई थी. And when this bank was established, it was established with the vision of bringing India together. और हमने यही काम तो किया है. यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने भारत को एक ही धागे में पिरोहा है और भारत को एकजुट किया है. It has truly united India, ladies and gentlemen. जब कुछ दिनों पहले मुझे फ़ोन आया कि आज का ये शो आप हमारे लिए होस्ट करेंगी, मैंने कहा ऑफ कोर्स करूँगी. I was so happy. You know why? Because I truly believe that the Union Bank of India is an outstanding example of the Indian values of service, goodness and trust. Yeah. एक भारतीय नागरिक होने के नाते ना मैं बहुत फ़ख्र, बहुत गर्व महसूस करती हूँ. यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की जो आज महत्ता है, यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया की जो आज मार्केट लीडरशिप है और जिस तरह से यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ने भारत को प्रगति के पथ पर अग्रसर रखने का काम किया है. आई एम सो प्राउड टू टॉक फॉर अ ब्रांड दैट इज इंडियाज प्राइड. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, तालियां हो जाए हम सबके लिए. ये अच्छा, जब मैं इस शो की तैयारी कर रही थी कुछ दिनों पहले मैंने पढ़ा हाउ व्हेन द जर्नी बिगैन. Up till 1947, we had only 4 branches, 3 in Mumbai and 1 in Saurashtra. देखिए ना, how over this journey of more than 100 years, we now are one of India's largest public sector banks. तालियां हो जाएं. We're listed in the Forbes 2000 list. तालियां हो जाएं. We have over 9,500 branches spread across the length and breadth of our country, and we have significant presence in Hong Kong, Dubai, and Sydney. We have not only spread our wings across India, but across the world. Proud, proud, proud. आप सबको यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के 104 संकल्पशील सुनहरे स्वर्णिम साल मुबारक हो! So today now, ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion, we're also going to flag off the new digital journey of the Union Bank of India, and we're really looking forward to your support in the same. तो आइए आज की इस शाम की शुरुआत करते हैं with a loud 3 cheers for all of us at the Union Bank of India. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! All right, thank you. On this joyous occasion, we are honored, delighted, and happy to have with us the esteemed presence of dignitaries and leadership from the Union Bank of India. We have with us the Honorable MD and CEO, Ms. A. Mani Mekhlai. She's sitting in the universe, in the metaverse of the Union Bank of India. And she has a very special message for all of us. Would you like to hear and see the message? Then make some noise, everybody. And here comes the message from our very own Managing Director and CEO.
Channel Finance solves this problem by ensuring adequate liquidity by timely funding in an automated manner. Dealer finance is also taken care by Union Channel Finance. The cars are dispatched from the factory to the dealer basis the purchase order
and progress of Union Bank of India. One of the leading technologies that we are proud of is the universe, the metaverse of banking, which is a testimony of our accomplishments in technology and digital banking. With the universe, we aspire to bring the future to your home. I now present to you Universe 2, which empowers you to explore virtual lounge and have an easy access to banking service at your own comfort. With a highly immersive and customer user experience, the Universe 2 is the future of banking. It's an exciting time for all of us, and I would like to share the same with you. I would like to now step out of this metaverse and join you all in the physical world to celebrate the 104th Foundation Day event of our bank.
grand celebration of the 104th Foundation Day of the Union Bank of India. We have with us on stage the Honorable MD and CEO, Ms. A. Mani Mekhalai, Executive Director Nitesh Ranjan, Executive Director Rajneesh Karnatak, Executive Director Nidhu Saxena, and Umesh Kumar Singh, CVO. जोरदार तालियों से इनका स्वागत करें. आइए ना. Good evening, sirs. Ma'am, it is, we're just so happy to have you here for this celebratory event, really. You know, ladies and gentlemen, I was reading about Ma'am earlier this evening, and I learned how she comes armed with more than 3 decades of extensive, rich experience in India's banking sector, how she is a member of various national committees and working groups that actively contribute towards policy making for India's vibrant financial sector. Truly proud of having her as MD and CEO. जोरदार तालियों के साथ एक बार फिर से मैम का स्वागत करें. मैम एंड सर्स, जैसा कि हमारी संस्कृति की परंपरा है, हमारी परंपरा का मान रखते हुए आज इस शाम का शुभारंभ हम करेंगे दिए के उज्ज्वलित प्रकाश के साथ. And for the same, may I please invite on stage all the UBI directors, all the CGMs, and our customers, Mr. S.K. Kanwar, Ms. Asha Goyal, and Mr. Nimesh Chokhani. Aaiye, please. Good evening to all of you. Namaskar and a very warm welcome. Aaiye. बहुत सारी तालियां बजनी चाहिए. कितना हैप्पी ओकेजन है ये. Just keep clapping and it's just going to add to the happiness and the grandness of this celebration. Hello, ma'am. Aaiye, please. We also have with us, once again, may I add, 3 customers of the Union Bank of India. Shri S.K. Kanwar जो हैं, आइए sir, good evening. बहुत सालों से हमारे साथ बैंकिंग कर रहे हैं. It's a very old banking relationship with us. Ms. Asha Goyal, she's an entrepreneur, a woman entrepreneur achieving milestones one after the other, backed by our banking at the Union Bank of India. And Mr. Nimesh Chokhani, he represents the new gen, who also has an account with us at the Union Bank of India. All of them coming together to light the ceremonial lamp. दिए की उज्ज्वलित प्रकाश के साथ आज इस सभा का शुभ आरंभ. As we believe in India that Divya Jyotir, or the light of the lamp, is the first appearance of the divine. And this evening we ask the Divya Jyotir, or the divine light, to bless us, our organization, and our journey ahead with auspiciousness, abundance of wealth, good health, prosperity, and destroy intellect's enemy. As the shloka says, Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampadah, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepa jyotir namostute. धन्यवाद. थैंक यू. दिए की उज्ज्वलित प्रकाश के साथ आज की इस सभा का शुभ आरंभ. And please come together for a photograph that will keep alive in your memories this moment that is true blue golden. Congratulations to all of you on stage, to all of you seated here, to every member of the UBI family across the length and breadth of our great nation, all our customers, associates, partners, congratulations. बहुत बहुत बधाई हो. Aye, please stay with me here on stage, ma'am. and sirs too. Ladies and gentlemen, it is perfect that we take this evening forward with the corporate prayer. I request you all to please rise for the corporate prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे।
हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे।
बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण।
फूल खुशियों के बाटे सभी को, सबका जीवन ही बन जाए मधुबन।
ओ अपनी करुणा का जल तू बहा के, कर दे पावन हर एक मन का कोना।
हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
The ideals we grew up with and the ideals we must all carry forward. Thank you all. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Deviyon और सज्जनों, the first step of this evening, and it has to be the Honorable Managing Director and CEO sharing with all of you her thoughts on this grand, momentous milestone occasion and sharing with all of us her vision that she's crafted for the Union Bank of India in the future to come. Please put your hands together in a thunderous round of applause as I request her to please, ma'am, address the gathering.
A very good evening to all of you. No response. Good evening. That's good. A very good evening and a hearty welcome to all of you on the 104th Foundation Day celebrations of Union Bank of India. Thank you. Since morning, I have been receiving a number of messages congratulating us on the 104th Foundation Day and wishing the bank a successful journey ahead. I acknowledge each one of your message with great humility for the heartfelt wishes, prayers, and blessings. Thank you, all of you. I heartily welcome our esteemed patrons, the very reason for our existence, and I express the indebtedness of Union Bank family for their unstinted support. It is my privilege to extend a warm welcome to the board members of our bank, members of the print and electronic media, invited guests, Unionites and their families. I sincerely appreciate your gracing the Foundation Day festivities and brightening our day. The journey of over a century has been remarkable and momentous. It is a testimony to the vision, courage, conviction, and the commitment of our founder and a succession of devoted and far-sighted leaders over the decades. Today, we pay our respectful homage to our founders and the leaders over the decade and recollect their extraordinary accomplishments against all odds that created an institution which has stood the test of time and grown to be a significant and constructive partner in the economic growth of the country. As with many great institutions, Union Bank of India had a very humble beginning. It is to the credit of the far-sighted Sri Seth Sita Ramji Kishan Dayal Podarji that he could bring people of the business community to join hands to establish a bank in Mumbai way back on 11th November 1919. We should remember here that it was exactly a year from the end of the First World War to the day, and the country was far away from independence. And Sri Podarji was personification of the adage, he chose a path less traveled. His memory lives on, and the acknowledged fact is that we are what we are today because of his great dream. At this juncture, in our long trek, we look back with pride on the accomplishments of the bank in every sphere of banking activity and beyond in many ways. Driven by sound founding principles, strong fundamentals, efficient and enlightened leadership, and committed workforce, and above all, the support of our esteemed patrons who are sitting here has made this journey meaningful. The saga continues. This is a moment to express our gratitude to the remarkable generations of men and women of the combined entity who worked tirelessly over the past century to make Union Bank what it is today. The torch bearers of the past are our beacon of light. I am truly blessed and humbled to be a part of this glorious Union Bank family. We have one more important thing to be proud of. None other than the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, inaugurated our head office in 1921. During the inauguration, Mahatma Gandhi said, we should have the ability to carry on a bank to manage efficiently crores of rupees in the course of our national activities. though we have not many banks amongst us, it does not follow that we are not capable of efficiently managing crores and tens of crores of rupees, unquote. His words are prophetic in that the bank proved him right. Today, we are an industry-leading performer under many parameters with a total business of rupees 18.17 lakh crore as of September 2022, a customer base of over 160 million, employee strength of over 76,000, and an impressive network of over 8,700 branches and 11,000 ATMs across the country. Post-amalgamation of Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank in 2020 with us, we are today the 5th largest public sector bank in the country. In this direction, the bank has strengthened the structure of the organization so as to meet the growing business demands. We have made the foundation of the bank strong by improving its processes in terms of credit centralization, verticalization, and monitoring. We are adopting digitization in every domain of our existing processes. We are the first bank to launch end-to-end digitization of KCC loan sanction and dispersal in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And the same will be extended to other states having digital land records. The bank is the first PSB to be an account aggregator ecosystem and to foray into metaverse platform, as you saw us today, to engage with customers in new ways through personalized interaction. I'm so happy to inform you that the bank has been awarded second rank among PSBs in the latest ease reforms index. This is the first time a bank is reaching to this coveted position since ease ranking was launched by the Government of India in 2018. Today we are going to announce new digital journeys and also launch our revamped mobile banking platform with more value-added services, digital disruption, business continuity, and employee reskilling would be the basic tenets to develop systematic resilience. As unionites, we must be agile to adopt the new set of changes coming in. Likewise, we are investing in our people capabilities through skill-based training and leadership development. The bank has created 9 centers of excellences across India, wherein we have aimed to build specialized workforce across functions. At the same time, to empower our employees from the grassroots level, we are providing handholding, counseling, and guidance through Empower Her and Empower Him committees. The world economy is going through difficult times, and we are witness to a crisis of unprecedented nature. Being an integral part of the global ecosystem, we are bound to face the heat of the ongoing economic turmoil. However, the resilient Indian economy is expected to fare better. By all means, the current decade is going to be India's decade. India is already the world's 5th largest economy in the world. There are a number of growth drivers, including India's demographics, digital infrastructure, emergence of the country as a manufacturing hub, energy transition, etc., which are going to shape the growth of the nation in the current decade. It is in this background we need to give special attention to what our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji said this 15th August on the Independence Day from the ramparts of the Red Fort. He urged all citizens to carry out their duties and responsibilities to ensure that India becomes a developed nation in the next 25 years. Calling it the Panch Prana, the 5 resolutions to help India to become a developed nation, he said, every Indian should move forward with bigger resolves and resolve of a developed nation. erasing all traces of slavery, taking pride in our heritage, ensuring importance to unity and integrity, and be responsible to carry out our duties. As a premier financial intermediary in the country, we have a great responsibility in realizing the dreams of the Honorable Prime Minister by taking the government initiatives to the people and be part of the growth story of the nation. To make way for an eventful evening today, let me conclude here. We cannot, as Unionites, afford to be complacent. This Foundation Day is an occasion to look at the challenges ahead. We should always be on our toes to tap new markets, and as the sector is becoming more competitors, customers stand to gain, which is our ultimate aim. As we keep on striving for growth, it is important to sustain our present momentum. We are committed to continue to be an active participant in the growth story of the nation, and we will contribute our share in India's journey towards a developed nation. Let me assure you that we are on our way to ace the race towards our business target of 19 trillion mark and a minimum 15% growth in our operating profit. I promise I shall keep no stone unturned to realize this dream. To quote Arjuna in Mahabharata when he said, "I can see only the eye of the bird." Likewise, our eyes should be focused to achieve the target set before us. Our successful and sustained journey of over a century would not have been possible without the support, encouragement, and help from all quarters, directly or indirectly. I take the occasion to convey my sincere gratitude to all the stakeholders, the government, my efficient board, investors, regulators, customers, and my dedicated Unionites and their family members. Thank you for being with us in our journey. We are committed to deepen our valued relationship. It is time to celebrate the 104th Foundation Day of this venerable institution. My best wishes to you all and your family on this momentous occasion. Thank you all, and kindly join and be part of our joyous celebrations. Thank you once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Golden words there from the Honorable MD and CEO. We are all set to ace the race. Absolutely fantastic. Put your hands together once again, everybody. Thank you once again, ma'am. So, ladies and gentlemen, the journey of 1,000 miles always begins with one step. Yes, our journey began in the year 1919 with one small step, and look at the journey that we have traveled over the last century and the years added to the century. We today are an organization, an institution, a movement in ourselves. And over these years, we've woven a great tradition of customer excellence based on service and unique and innovative products. We're about to take that tradition forward this evening. In your presence, on this momentous occasion of the 104th Foundation Day of the Union Bank of India, we're all set to launch yet more unique, innovative products. We've already witnessed the launch of the Metaverse 2.0. Put your hands together for that, ladies and gentlemen, at the beginning of the show. And now get ready for more action coming your way. We begin with the first launch of the evening. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is moving into digital products, and the Union Bank of India is moving hand in hand with this revolutionary shift. With this thought in mind, we have an amazing first product to launch on today's occasion of the 104th Foundation Day. This product would light up a universe of possibilities, and to light up the future of banking, may I please request you all to light up the torches of your mobile phones while this first product is being launched. Yes, yes, come on, everybody. Everybody, all of you seated here, all of you back there, light up the torches of your mobile phones. Wonderful. Even more, everybody, everybody. And to join us for this launch on stage, may I please request Mr. Rajiv Mishra, CGM, IT and Digitization, Mr. Rajneesh Khare, Chief Digital Officer, Mr. Sanjay Narayan, General Manager, Retail Assets, Mr. A. Raghavendra, General Manager, Digitization, and Mr. Anil Kuril, CTO. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I will request the Honorable MD and CEO to please part the curtains and officially launch this first product while all of you keep the lights of your mobile phone on and wave them in the air. Please, ma'am. The first product being launched this evening, opening for us a whole new universe of possibilities. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable MD has just launched the Viom mobile app. Congratulations! Here it is, the all-new Viom app. An amazing product, easy, personalized, on-the-go banking. Personalized and on-the-go banking, completely redefined by this amazing Viom app. Download this app today if you haven't already, and if you have, then update the same with over 350 plus features. This app promises to unlock a whole new universe of possibilities. We already have 25 million customers on board. The all-new Viom mobile app, yeah. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at this short film about this new product launch. Explore a whole new world of possibilities with the Viom mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it, please do it. And if you already have it, update it. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियां! इस पहले product launch के साथ ही I think हमने सिक्सर ground के बाहर मार दिया है. And here comes the second one. Ladies and gentlemen, as parents, one of the most important things that we do is plan a good, beautiful, and safe, secure future for our children. Union Bank of India today, on the occasion of the 104th Foundation Day, is committed to strive in security and fulfilling the dreams of every child of our great nation. The launch of our next product is very vital in this endeavor of bringing smiles on the faces of all children in our country. To launch this next product, may I please invite on stage Mr. Praveen Sharma, CGM, DMD, to join us. Aaiye, please. Good evening, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a few very important people amongst us. They are the ones who are the future of this country. May I please request them to kindly grace the stage with their presence. Surprise, surprise. Look who's going to join us on stage. 3, 2, 1. Aaiye na. Aaiye please. Yes. Let's clap along. अगर आप सब खड़े होके इन बच्चों का अभिनंदन करें, it will bring so much happiness to their hearts. That is our endeavor, to put smiles on the faces of these children, all children across the country. इनकी मुस्कान बस इसी तरह बनी रहे, यूनियन मुस्कान का यही इरादा है. Round of applause, congratulations. Here's Union Muskan, a service that will inculcate financial awareness and saving habits in children. And the best part is that it has features for parents that will ensure the children's safety as their guardians. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look at a short film that encapsulates this second product launch, Union Muskan. We will play for you a short film after this photo opportunity with the Honorable MD, CEO, Executive Directors and CDO, and the children who just helped us launch this new initiative, Union Muskan. ये बहुत सारी तालियां हो जाएं, ladies and gentlemen. And thank you, children. Thank you. आप सब देख रहे हैं किस तरह से बच्चे स्टेज से जाना नहीं चाहते. They are so happy to be on stage. Thank you all. Thank you. Are you all ready for the next launch? अरे थोड़ा सा हमको एनर्जी चाहिए. Are you all ready for the next launch? Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, dreams have no boundaries. Bye-bye.
It is every
Thank
parent's
you.
desire to secure a safe and successful future for their children. That they should receive abundant opportunities and resources so that they can achieve their goals and fulfill their dreams and grow up into successful professionals. Union Bank of India is committed to strive to securing it. We present Union Muskan, a savings bank account product for children from age 0 to 18 years, which would not only help parents to assure a nurturing and growth-inducing childhood, but would even serve beneficial while they pursue higher education, with added features for the parents that would also ensure their safety as the guardians, inculcating financial awareness and saving habit in children so that they emerge future ready.
Bhai, as a mother, this is my favorite initiative. So with that, we completed the final step of this second product launch. Moving on to the next. Ladies and gentlemen, dreams have no boundaries. Different people bring different things to the table. Union Bank of India has a history of great initiatives. And one such is Union Accessibility, providing banking for even differently abled people. In this endeavor to launch our next product, may I please invite on stage Mr. Yogendra Singh, CFGM Mumbai, Mr. Prashant Nayak, Team Lead for Union Access Project undertaken by Union Bank of India with regards to furthering possibilities for visually differently abled customers. Please welcome them on stage. And now I'm going to request our Honorable MD and CEO, Ms. A. Mani Mekhlai, to kindly hand over the new Union Sparsh debit card model to Mr. Prashant Nayak. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the Union Sparsh debit card that will bring dreams to life. The debit card that will provide a greater sense of security, equality, inclusivity, and independence to customers who are visually differently abled. Yet another new, innovative, unique product from us at the Union Bank of India. बहुत सारी तालियों के साथ, बहुत सारी. ये समा गूंजना चाहिए आपकी तालियों के साथ. यूनियन स्पर्श के लिए, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वाह क्या बात है. Thank you for joining us on stage. Let's take a look at the product film.
As a part of Equal Opportunity Commitment, Union Bank of India had set up Project Union Access to enhance accessibility in digital channels for differently abled customers. Different people bring different things to the table, providing the right mix of targeted and universal services so that diverse communities can get the support they need. Union Access endeavor depicts a similar tale. Union Bank of India has a history of great initiatives to accomplish underlying objectives of universal accessibility. In the series of new innovations, Union Bank of India presents India's first accessible Union Sparsh debit card. A special card designed for customers with visual disabilities with accessible features such as a rounded notch to identify card type as debit card, braille letter U to identify bank name as Union Bank of India, raised symbols, embossed card number, etc. Bank's new accessible card is vetted by eminent disability experts. Union Sparsh card will provide a greater sense of security, equality, inclusivity, and independence in access to bank's customers with visual disability. Union Bank of India has marked accessibility improvements over the past months in our journey to become the best accessible bank. Union Bank of India, good people to bank with.
A sparsh like none other, Union Sparsh debit card. बहुत सारी तालियां एक बार फिर से. So 1, 2, 3, and here comes the fourth. Union Bank of India has a legacy of innovation to provide seamless and convenient banking services to its customers. With this legacy in mind, may I please request Mr. Shailesh Singh, CGM and Chief Operation Officer, to please join us on stage. Good evening, sir. And for this next product launch, may I please request our Executive Director, Shri Nitesh Ranjan, to please launch this fourth product, Digi Sahas, that is poised to offer online and hassle-free account opening. I request you, sir, to kindly feed the OTP on this device to authenticate and launch the product. And sir, the OTP is 104. Simple. Thank you, sir.
Union Bank of India has a legacy of innovation to provide seamless and convenient banking services to its customers. Continuing this traverse of advancements in the emerging technology, Union Bank of India brings Digi Sahaj, that is poised to offer online and hassle-free account opening. Coupled with the ecosystem developed by the Government of India Bank, with Digi Sahaj, a customer can open a new account with Union Bank of India within a few minutes, which is made possible through an instant verification and validation of mobile number OTP of the onboarding customer, validation of OVDs, that is, validation of Aadhaar and PAN from respective repositories, and CKYC compliance, a high-tech integration that ensures end-to-end process to capture, store, and generate CKYC, which in turn allows the bank to provide better customer service, maximum compliance, and to experience ease of banking.
Congratulations. From where I'm standing, I see a sea of people. यहाँ से खड़े मैं एक सागर देख रही हूँ मुस्कुराते हंसते चेहरों का. And for all the people here, for all the Indians in India, here comes Digi Sahaj. Zordar taaliyan. A new product that aims to empower small and medium businesses to prosper and to deliver the best digital banking experience. So we have launched some amazing products till now. And for the next product being launched, may I please request Mr. Abhijit Basak, CGM Large Corporate, to please join us on stage. Aye, sir. Good evening. And may I please request our Executive Director, Shri Rajneesh Karnatak, to kindly launch our fifth product, Union Channel Finance, a supply chain finance product. I request you, sir, to kindly feed the OTP to the device to authenticate the launch of this product, and the OTP is 104.
Union Channel Finance. Unfold your business capital. Union Channel Finance is a unique supply chain finance solution that helps you with your business capital. Let's imagine a car manufacturer that procures goods from suppliers across India. The manufacturer is a great customer for its suppliers, but it had stringent rules and long payment terms. The suppliers only get complete payment after completion of this tedious payment term. And to fulfill the supply order, a supplier needs immediate cash. Union Channel Finance solves this problem by ensuring adequate liquidity by timely funding in an automated manner. Dealer finance is also taken care by Union Channel Finance. The cars are dispatched from the factory to the dealer basis the purchase orders. The invoice raised by Anchor gets promptly funded through Union Channel Finance on behalf of the dealer, ensuring seamless movement of finished goods, timely cash flow, and reduction in inventory in the whole supply chain, much to the delight of the stakeholders, providing a wide bouquet of financial services and easy funding options with a completely digitized and customized dashboard and MIS capabilities, which makes it very convenient for the corporates and their customers to easily reconcile and facilitate informed decisions, to give corporates the comfort and build valuable trust to transact through our package. Union Channel Finance is a user-centric product which is highly scalable with latest security features and a user-friendly and smooth UI that ensures a seamless experience of onboarding anchors and counterparties. Union Bank of India. Good people to bank with.
What a product! One which is highly scalable with latest security features, and to top it all, it's user-friendly. Union Channel Finance. Let's celebrate this with a round of applause. All of you back there too. And now the next. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to automate the legal processes involved in giving a loan, Union Bank of India is launching a revolutionary product. For the launch of this product, may I please request Mr. Ashok Chandra, CGM SAMV, to please join us on stage. Hi, sir. Good evening. And may I please request our Executive Director, Shri Nidhu Saxena, to kindly launch the final product for the day, Saras, a state-of-the-art stress assets recovery automation solution. Kindly, sir, feed in the OTP to authenticate. 104, sir.
When a bank provides a loan to its customers, they deliver a hand of support for their financial needs, but seldom the capital is not retrieved in designated time. In cases where the parties don't make payment of loans, the bank has to take action for early resolution, where all the legal procedures have to be followed. Certain timelines are crossed, but no action could be taken, or value gets reduced and losing time value. These procedures take a long time and use up bank resources to even just take the follow-up manually. Union Bank of India presents a state-of-the-art stressed assets recovery automation solution, Union Saras, which is a fully automated and digitized effective recovery management system, which delivers enforcement of various legislative recovery tools on a single platform, digitized functions and automated recovery process, completion of recovery actions in timely manner and flawlessly, single platform for database and automation. Case status updation and case hearing notifications are sent to bank's system and advocate's app. The advocate can access the Saras portal through web and app. And so on, the litigation management is streamlined on the platform completely till the amount is fully recovered. Union Saras is leveraged with a highly proficient framework built on high-tech artificial intelligence, which delivers streamlined and target-oriented, system-driven actions with least human intervention, to bundle the best and most effective automated recovery system. Union Saras, Union Bank of India.
Yay, ladies and gentlemen, let's all put our hands together for the launch of the last product today, Saras, that bundles the best and the most effective automated recovery system. Ma'am? Thanking you, ma'am. Please put your hands together for her, and thanking you all, sirs, too. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We have launched 6 revolutionary products today. जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. व्योम मोबाइल ऐप, यूनियन मुस्कान, यूनियन स्पर्श, डिजी सहज, यूनियन चैनल फाइनेंस and Saras. Thank you all once again for being such a great audience.